1983 Regency 98. Common for the seat track to fail like that. Don't get old ones like that, they'll break apart. This is what is being sold as it was a direct bolt-in replacement. You just got to run this controller through there, and then you just attach your main wire here. Now I still don't know quite yet what this is off of. I'm going to try to get some part numbers, and maybe somebody knows what it's from. Delco. Pretty sure I could match it up by looking on eBay for the one that looks like that. It's got the flat wiring connector.